Welcome to our channel. If you need an employer identification number for your business, follow these step-by-step instructions to obtain and use your EIN correctly. Step 1. Determine if you need an EIN. You'll need one if you have employees, operate as a corporation or partnership, file employment or excise tax returns, or want to separate business and personal identification. Step 2. Gather required information before applying, including your social security number or individual taxpayer identification number, legal business name, and business structure. Step 3. Apply online at the IRS website using their EIN assistant, which is the fastest method and provides your EIN immediately upon completion. Step 4. Alternatively, complete Form SS4 and submit it by mail or fax if you prefer traditional application methods, though processing takes longer. Step 5. Answer all questions accurately about your business, including the reason you're requesting an EIN, number of employees expected, and principal business activity. Step 6. Save your EIN confirmation notice immediately. The IRS won't send a separate EIN document by mail if you apply online, so print or screenshot the confirmation page. Step 7. Use your EIN consistently on all business documents, including tax returns, bank account applications, business licenses, and loan applications. Step 8. Keep your EIN secure like a social security number to prevent identity theft. Never use someone else's EIN or let others use yours improperly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.